All right, today we're going to be learning how to make a paper football. First, you'll need a piece of paper, okay? And I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. It's important to make sure the edges line up. So next, we're going to need our scissors. We're going to open back up that piece of paper and we have that fold. To make our football, we're only going to need half of the paper. Oops. And we're just going to cut on that fold. So with one piece of paper, we could make 2 footballs. Okay. Put that other one to the side. So I'm going to take this piece of paper and fold it into a long, skinny rectangle. And I'll look and see which side looks better. But we're going to then start folding small triangles. So we're going to take this corner and fold it flush with the edge. Like this. Okay. Then this one gets folded up. Oops. Make sure that it's flush with this edge. I'm using the back of my nail to kind of make good folds. And then we create a top triangle again. Fold it up. Make sure you kind of keep an eye on this side and make sure it doesn't get too bunched up. Flip it over. Flip it up. And we keep doing that until we get to the end. And I'm going to sort of crisp my edges. Now here, what we're going to do is we want to fold this little piece of leftover so that it will tuck in to that little pocket right there. So you can fold it back into a triangle. Let you see that. And then we're going to open our pocket, carefully slide this in until that whole other side is tucked into and then I can go like this, like this. Okay. I can see that this, just play around with it a little bit. I like to ding the edges a little bit because I certainly don't want anybody to get their eye poked out or hurt whenever we're playing football. But, oops. It works. Have fun.